Assalamu alaikum dear students and engineers. In today's video we will talk about how you can insert a PDF file and then scale it to make it according to the drawing conditions. So let's get started. First you should have to click on this insert option here. In this insert option here you will click on this import PDF. Here you will click on this import PDF and it will go to your screen or somewhere where you want to have your PDF file. So my PDF file here is in the name of R4. Here I want to import this PDF, so I'll click on this file and then click on the open. Now it will say that how you choose this file. I'll click on this file, I'll select this file and then I'll click on the OK. Now it's showing here that this file is processing. Now this file is done over here, it is imported over here, but let's check out for its dimensions, that its dimensions are okay or not. So first I want to choose this one, this little bit space, let's say this 5 feet bathroom. So let's check out this. For that you should have to click on the home tab and then in this utilities click on the Meyer drop down menu, and here you click on the distance icon. When you click on the distance, here you will select this point and then selecting this point here over here, let's say. So this will show you a distance of 0.5, so it is 0.5 distance and the original distance is 5 feet. So how will now we calculate it? So I'll leave this command. This is now, let's use the calculator. I'll use the calc command, pressing enter. Now I have a 5 distance and the distance which was showing to me was 0.5, so you will divide the distance by the distance which you have come by calculation. So now we have a scale factor of 10, so we'll scale it up to 10 times, so it will get to this particular dimension. For doing this you will click on the Control A, so the whole drawing will be selected. Now you should have to select the scale command. You will type here is CALE, scale, and press enter. So it will say that scale specify base point, so you will choose here 0,0 and press enter. So now it shows, it is saying that specify the scale factor. So we calculated the scale factor is 10, so I'll click on the 10, I'll press 10 and then enter. Now let's check out the drawing over there that we have scaled it or not. So now I'll go again into the utilities and here I'll click on the Meyer and then the distance. So I'll click over here and then over here, so you can see here clearly that it is now showing 5 feet or 5 units. So this is how you can scale your drawings. Let's check out another dimension. For our confirmation I am clicking over here, let's say this is 13 feet. Let's check out this 17 feet and 8 inches. So I click on these utilities and then Meyer and then distance. Here I am clicking over here and over here, so it is 17.633, which is in feet it equal to 17 feet and 8 inches. So this is how you can scale your drawings. If you hit the like the video, so press the like button. Thank you for watching. Thank you.